All right, let's have a look at Simple Man by Lynyrd Skynyrd. And let's just hear a little bit first, and then we'll explain what's going on here. And that's the intro part of the song. And I think that happens throughout the verse for the most part too. Okay, when you have a good riff, you keep using it and beat it to death. Okay, so what's happening here is that the first two notes are just open string 5 and string 5 fret 2. I'm going to get that string 5 fret 2 with my second finger because it's going to set me up for my C chord, which is string 5 fret 3, 4 fret 2, and string 2 fret 1. So there's our first two notes again. When you get to the C chord, you play string 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3. Again, that pattern on a C chord. Notice my left hand stays in that format, C chord. You go string 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3. Make sure you're right on the tippy tops of those fingers so you don't hear this when you go to pluck the third string. Here, watch my right hand. I do this pattern. 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3. All right. You're going to do the same pattern on what's called the G chord after that. You get string 6 fret 3 and string 5 fret 2. Now usually a G chord also has a string 1 fret 3 in it, but you don't need it for this chord, so you don't have to actually put all 3 fingers down. You could just put string 6 fret 3 and 5 fret 2. With your right hand, here, let me show you again, you're going to do the same pattern you did with the C chord, but starting on string 6. So you're going to go string 6, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 4. Here it is again on the G chord. I see my left hand's on a G, and sometimes your pinky's down there, sometimes, but in this case we don't need it. You're gonna go string 6, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 4. The same pattern you did on the C chord, just starting on string 6. All right, same exact thing. So here's what we have so far. Already sounds like Simple Man. Now let's add one more chord. Okay, this last chord starts off easy enough, but then it gets a little tricky. Remember how our C chord is like this? 5, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1. In order to make an A minor chord, which this next chord is, take your third finger from the C chord and just tuck it underneath your second finger on string 3 fret 2. And that makes an A minor chord. See, it's similar to a C. Here's your C. Here's your A minor. And with your right hand, you're going to pluck string 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3. It's just like the C chord, actually. It's the same pattern. 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3. Same exact pattern with your right hand. You're just holding down different notes with your left hand. But we're not done with the A minor. After you do 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3, you go string 5, 2, 3, 4, 1. I'll talk about that in a second. 1, 2. So that last little bit again with the A minor. 5, 2, 3, 4. Then you add your pinky on string 1 fret 3 and go string 1, 2. Then you start the whole thing over. All right, so here's your A minor all together. Then you just start the whole thing over on string 5 open, down, which sets you up for the C chord. Okay, A minor chord. When you get to that, okay, so here's that guy, 2, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2. And with your right hand, you're going string 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3. And then you add on this little bit, 5, 2, 3, 4. Then that pinky note, string 1 fret 3. And you do string 1, 2, then start over. See how that works? Okay. It's not easy, but it's worth the trouble. It's a pretty cool riff. Okay, so have fun with it and hit me with any questions anytime. Thanks for watching.